Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Blackbox AI is active and connected to your YouTube account. Install or enable the extension, sign in with Google, and grant the minimal permissions required to read video metadata. Once done, open the YouTube video you want summarized and pause it at the beginning so Blackbox can index the transcript. Next, click the Blackbox icon or press its shortcut to begin extraction. This triggers the tool to fetch captions and timestamps automatically. Now direct Blackbox to the portion you want summarized. You can drag-select a transcript range or let it auto-detect the whole video. Choose the summary mode, short for highlights, medium for main points, or detailed for an expanded outline. Make sure to toggle features like timestamps, key phrase highlights, or bullet export depending on your use. Then press Generate. Blackbox will parse the captions, cluster main ideas, and assemble a concise narrative with time-linked highlights for quick review. To finish, review the generated summary and export it in your preferred format: text, markdown, or copy to clipboard for notes. Make quick manual edits where the AI misinterprets names or context. This improves clarity and retains accuracy. If Blackbox fails due to missing captions, enable YouTube auto captions or upload a transcript file before retrying. If the tool stalls, refresh the page, reauthorize permissions, and regenerate. That usually resolves API or rate limit hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.